Hi, I'm Matt Willis, Public Health Officer for Marin County, with an update on my experience with COVID-19 infection. I was diagnosed 16 days ago, and finally today, I'm able to come out of isolation. This is my 4th day without fever, and my symptoms are improving. I learned a lot about COVID-19 firsthand over the past 2 weeks. At the time I was diagnosed, I was optimistic because my symptoms were mild. I underestimated how serious my illness would be. I developed a viral pneumonia that landed me in bed for about 12 days of fever, cough, chest tightness, and fatigue. On day 10 of my illness, I spent some time in one of our emergency departments because I was having shortness of breath. The emergency room was calm and efficient, and they were well prepared to care for me, while making sure everyone on the team was safe. It was highly reassuring, as a patient and as a public health officer, to see our system working so well. In the end, my chest x-ray was okay, and because I had great support, I was able to return home. I'm relatively healthy, but I've needed help for almost everything at home. I know that if I were more frail or older, or if I didn't have the amazing support of my wife and kids, and from our friends and neighbors, things might not have gone as well. This experience reinforced for me how important it is to be taking aggressive action to protect ourselves, our most vulnerable residents, and our healthcare workers. And the best way to do that is still to do less, to stay home, and stick to the shelter-in-place order, as hard as it is sometimes. I shifted my focus from our population to a personal one at home as a patient, just a few days after we issued the shelter-in-place order. As I'm coming back from this illness, I see the results of our efforts. Over this past 2 weeks, the nation has surged from about 40,000 to over 350,000 cases. Here, looking back, more than a month has passed since the first cases of local community transmission of COVID-19 were detected in our region. Yet, our ICUs and emergency departments still have many empty beds. In Marin, we've had a total of 23 COVID hospitalizations as of today. We're obviously caught up in this pandemic, but we're not seeing the surges that we expected before we made the decision to radically change together to shelter in place. Local hospitals are not overrun, and we've had time to prepare. We don't want to be falsely reassured, and harder times are coming as cases will rise. But looking around, we see victories in some of our first, most important battles. Everyone is making sacrifices. This illness has been humbling, but also taught me that less can be more as this virus runs its course, and laying low is protective. I'm grateful to the amazing team at the county who are leading this response for giving me the space to heal and peace of mind knowing that we're in excellent hands. I'll be rejoining that team over the next few days. What I'm most excited about now is getting to sit downstairs with my family to eat for dinner. We're having one of the meals prepared by a friend. It's another small victory. If you know anyone fighting this illness at home, and if you don't, you may soon, it goes a long way to find a meal or a card on your doorstep. I hope everyone can have some amazing support as I've had, as I rejoin you in our work together.